Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up and customize a work focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Focus. Next, tap on Work. Then we go down and tap on Customize Focus. Now in here, tap on People and Apps. So in here you can set how you want to silence notifications from people and apps. Now first tap on People. Then here you have two options: Silence Notifications From and Allow Notifications From. When you select Silent Notifications From, then notifications from selected people will be silenced and sent to Notification Center. If you select Allow Notifications From, then notifications from people you select will be allowed, all others will be silenced and sent to Notification Center. So select one of the options, then tap on Add People. From the list here, choose the people or the contacts that you want to add to the list. And then tap on Next. Then in here, choose Calls to allow. So you can choose everybody, allow people only, allow people in your favorites only, or allow your contacts only. And then tap on Done. Okay, so we have now set how people or contacts can send you notifications during work focus. Next is Apps. So tap on Apps. Now again, it is similar to the people filter. Select Silence Notifications From or Allow Notifications From. Next, go down and then tap on Add Apps. In here, select which apps you want to disable during work focus. So go down the list here and select the apps that you want to allow or don't allow during a work focus, and then tap on Done. Next, tap on Done. And after that, the next option is tap on Options. In here, you can choose to show or hide silence notifications on the lock screen. So if you don't want to get distracted while a work focus mode has been switched on, then you can turn off Show on Lock Screen. You can choose to show or hide notification badges. And you can choose, you can set the silence notifications to always or while locked. And lastly is the appearance. So you can choose to turn on or turn off dim lock screen. So darken the lock screen when this focus is on. So you can turn it on or off. And then tap on the back key. That is the additional options. And then we move down to the Customize Screens section. In here on the left hand side is your lock screen, and on the right hand side is your home screen. So tap on Choose, and here you can choose a wallpaper for the lock screen. Then tap on Add. Now you can customize the wallpaper as well, so tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair or Customize Home Screen. So let's go back into here again. So tap on Edit, and you can see if I go in here, I can choose to add widgets. I can change the clock style, and I can change the top widget as well. So the top widgets, instead of displaying the date, I can choose it to display the weather condition. And I can change the clock style here. So during this mode, I can change the clock style. And lastly, I can add widgets to my lock screen. And then tap on Add. Again, it says, do I want to customize the home screen separately, or do I want to share the same layout and same style with the home screen? So I'm going to choose Set as Wallpaper Pair, so they both have the same layout and design. Next, you can tap on Choose over here on the right hand side. Choose a home screen page. So in here you can choose a home screen page that you would like to use, and then tap on Done. And then we go down to the Smart Activation, a schedule. So here say have this focus turn on automatically at a set time, location, or while using certain app. So here tap on the smart activation, then tap on the smart activation to switch it on or off. And so here automatically turn on work focus at the relevant times throughout the day based on signals like location, app usage, and more. And after that, you can tap on the back key, then tap on add schedule, and then you can choose a time. So let's say between 1 o'clock from 1. So from 1 to 5 o'clock, Sunday to Saturday, and then tap on done. So during this time, your work focus will automatically get switched on, and then it switch off at 5. And then down here we got the focus filters. Customize how your apps and device behave when this focus is on. So when this focus is on, you can set it to run filters on calendar, messages, and other apps. So for example, we can choose mail, and then during focus mode is turn on. During this particular focus mode turn on, we can choose which mail accounts to use or disabled, and then tap on add. And then tap on add filter to add in more filters. Messages, you can tap on messages. Then you can enable or disable filter by people list, and then tap on add. Then tap on add filter, and there are more filters to be added. So you can choose turn power mode, turn on or turn off low power mode, and then tap on add. So when work focus is turned on, then low power mode will automatically get switch on. And that's it. So go through the filters here and then choose which filters that you would like to use during this particular focus. And that's it. So that's all the options available for work focus. You can also tap on edit button at the top to change your work focus color. Then tap on done. Then tap on back key. And that's it. So that we have now successfully customized the work focus. If you swipe up, you can go back to the home screen. Now by swiping down at the top to open up the control center, you can see that work focus has automatically switched on because of that schedule that we have just set at 1 o'clock. If you tap on that, you will be able to manually switch it off. And tap on the more button will give you more information. So in here you can choose to manually turn on work focus for 1 hour into this evening or until I leave this location. And if you just tap on it, you can manually switch it on, or you can manually switch it off, or you can tap on for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, then it will automatically turn off. So say here, turn on work focus until 2:01. And that's it. So that is how you can customize and turn on or turn off work focus. You can see that when work focus is turned on, then I have low battery, low power mode switch on. And if I turn off work focus, then the low power mode automatically gets switched off. That is one of the filters that we have set previously in that work focus. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.